It's something about the season that we're in. That's making me think that we're not supposed to do this. I know that you're trying to understand, but you can't. Cause I keep on making excuses about the fall, the rise, and how my mind is ruptured, wired, and I'm tired of it. I know you're trying, but you'll never unravel me.
Murder scene, Cardi made a mess. Pop up, guess who, bitch? Pop up, guess who, bitch? Ding dong. Must be that whip that I ordered, and a new crib for my daughter. You know a bad bitch gon' spoil her God when the New York, me run to Georgia. Moved in a truck as a quarter. My money still long like weed, pussy still wet like Florida. Everyone jumped on the floor. She was fucking, but not in